Much for bringing us up to speed and prepping us on the numbers. That's ITC. It'll be out post-market hours. Well, we're down to the last 1 or 2 minutes of trade, so let's start wrapping things up. Well, the end will be negative once again. The bulls couldn't hold on to that little bit of green 20-30 point rally that we had on the Nifty. Finally going home with a cutoff anywhere between 5 to 6 odd points. The weakness, well, definitely global-facing sectors like metals, so JSW Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel, all of these stocks are down. Some of the Adani Group, the larger Adani Group Nifty names like Adani Enterprises and Ports also weak. Remember, the news development is that SEBI has asked for 2 more weeks of time to submit its report before the Apex Court. Other than that, we have some more weak names in the form of Flatline Motors, Tata Motors. These are weak on the auto side. In financials, Bajaj Finance, Innocent Bank, HDFC Bank. A lot of the banking names weak. In fact, the bank Nifty is what led the last leg of the decline. The reason why we couldn't manage that positive close is because look at the bank Nifty. It's going home with a cutoff, almost 0.3, 0.4%. IT was trying to do a little bit of the firefighting. Infosys up about 1.5%. Reliance and Lever, along with an ICICI Bank. But I guess, Rima, not quite enough because the net result is flat with mild negative bias.
The net result is flat, but the full day story is that we managed to pull back quite a bit from the session's low. The session low was closer to 19,250, and we're closing perhaps above the 19,400 mark. Divi's Laboratory has also been a big mover on the back of the margin expansion. The mid-cap index is closing in the red, a cut of about 0.25%. The advanced decline ratio is firmly in favor of the stocks which are losing in trade. We've got about 1,000 stocks advancing to about 1,800, 1,900 stocks under pressure. PVR, Inox, NMDC, these are some stocks which gain in trade. Garden Reach Shipbuilders, NMDC, IRFC, HEG. These are all earnings reaction which were rewarded by today. And on the losing side, Nykaa takes a big fall of 8.5%. Weakness in JSPL, ABB, Nalco, Krishna Diagnostic. Again, these are all earnings reaction. But by the way, the earnings season is over. Fine.
Well, it is absolutely. But, all in all, a pretty good session all told, because it was looking like it's going to be a 100 plus point cut like Friday. We were down 150 and we end with just 15 points sort of red. So 19,400 plus is where we've ended with all that happened in today's session. Well, that's a wrap in this edition of Closing Bell. Enjoy your holiday tomorrow. But don't go anywhere for now. We are coming right back with more on markets on our Independence Day special. Devina Mehra, founder, chairperson and managing director at First Global, and Tridhi Bhattacharya of Edelweiss Asset Management join in on the other side. Stay tuned.